What's up guys, good morning, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to another video. Today we get to finally go down to Bradenton Motorsports and test out that 100mm solar performance throttle body. But before we do that, I want to show you guys a few t-shirts that I made. We got two versions, we got a white one and a black one. They both have the same rear wheel drive car logo on the back, doing a little burnout. The only difference is the black one comes with a green rear wheel drive logo on the front, and the white ones come with a black rear wheel drive logo on it. If you guys are enjoying the content and you guys really like the channel, you guys want to help support the channel, head over to rwdmerch.com, pick up a shirt or two. Right now I'm doing free shipping on orders of $50 or more. Anything to help offset the cost of these tires, doing all these burnouts and going to the drag strip and whatnot will be really helpful. Speaking of tires, I'm going to go ahead and throw on these Goodyear Supercar 3R Eagle F1 tires. The Eagle F1s are a little bit wider of a tire than the stock tires that I have. These are 325s. The stock comes with 305. Plus the Michelins are about $1,000 a set, so gotta stop burning those things up. I'm gonna get these things on. I'll see you guys at the track. What's up guys, we're back here at Bradenton Motorsports. We're about to test out that 100mm throttle body. Luckily for us, there's not very many cars here today. I think it's because of the heat. It is in the 90s, which is unfortunate, but it's supposed to cool down to like the 80s tonight. So honestly, our best is what, a 10.93, and I think I'd be happy with getting, I don't know, a 10.99 today because it's so hot. Whenever I did the 10.93, it was like 65 degrees out, and these cars are so sensitive, like extremely sensitive. So we're gonna go ahead and try to see if we can just get a 10.9 tonight. That's my goal. So let's go ahead and get in line and get in our first run and see what happens. All right guys, here we go. First race, the Hellcat versus the C8. Jeez, I haven't been drag racing in forever, it feels like. But no, I actually did. I went there on our rally, didn't I? Let's freaking do it. Woo. I feel out of practice for some reason. Solid burnout, felt like. We'll see here in a second. I guess we're going by ourselves. I don't see the Hellcat. Didn't hear him burning out. Oh, baby. Great traction. It's shifting straight to 65, 64, 6500 RPM. Feels pretty good. Feels really good. Let's go. Passed at like 123. We'll see here in a second. Felt solid though. Woo, man. It is no kidding hot though today. What are we at? We're at 87 degrees right now, so not the coolest. Let's see what we got. Can we just get, I don't know, 10.9, please? Thank you. All right, so our first run, 11.1, that's not horrible. I mean, 87 degrees, it's so hot and these things are so sensitive. They hate the heat. I got a 160 60 foot. That's pretty good. That's not bad at all. Those Goodyear Eagle F1 Supercar 3s, they hook. You get a nice burnout in, man, they go. So we did 11.14 at 118 miles an hour. Cool. Hey, if it only gets better from there, that's what I'm talking about. All right, guys, it's game time. I think we're going against the GT500s. Our friend Hunter's, his dad's running it. So this is gonna be tough. Hopefully he spins and spins and spins. We'll see. The track is prepped really good, so he's probably gonna hook. Let's go. Oh, baby. All right, we got him off the line. See if he can catch us. He's gonna have a tough time. Woo! We got him, baby. Yeah. Yo, these C8s get out of the hole. If you hook, it's game over. I love this car. It's so crazy. Woo! That felt really good. That felt like a very low 11. Thinking a very, very low 11, like 11.09. Let's see. These tires hook. I love these tires. These are off the ZL1 1LE. They are amazing. They hook so well. I'm like kind of like taking by surprise every time. Thank you. You're welcome. Oh man, we ran slower. We ran really slow. Is this my car? Yeah, we ran 11.22 at 117.9. Bummer. Okay, we got a 162 60 foot. Not sure what happened. It's 84 degrees now instead of 87 or 92, whatever it was. I think I'm gonna park it, let her cool off, wait a couple, maybe like, I don't know, 30, what the heck was that? Maybe like 30 minutes or whatever, and then we'll get back out there and do it again. All right, guys, so this is gonna be our third run. It's 84 degrees. I checked the weather, and it's gonna get down to the best of like 79, probably around 11 o'clock. So probably the best we're gonna see is around 80 degrees. We're not gonna see that 65. So we're just gonna do our best, see what we can do. We ran that 11.2 last and 11.1 before that. I just want a 10.9. All right, guys, we are about to go against a Mustang GT. It's completely stock. All right, here we go. Let's see what happens here. We've raced a couple GTs now, and we usually take them. Let's see how we do against this one. Cool story though, he bought that for $2,000, no motor in it, and then he bought a wrecked one and then pieced it together. Now he's got a full Mustang. I also need an oil change. I don't know if that matters, but we're getting an oil change tomorrow. Anthony from AB's Garage is coming over to do an oil change for his channel. Maybe that's why we're running a little slower today, I don't know. Oh baby, there we go, there we go, there we go. Woo! I don't know, guys, didn't feel fast there. Still really freaking hot, 84 degrees. Thank you.
I get that a lot, you know?
All right, well, we got a little quicker. We still ran 11.159, but at 119.18. So the cool weather is definitely helping us out. We ran a 160 760 foot. Check it out. All right, well, I think we'll wait a little bit longer. It's 83 degrees now. Maybe we'll wait till it drops down to 80 and just send it. All right, guys, we are about to do our, I don't know, third or fourth run. We are going against a Hellcat. He ran a fastest of a 10.8 so far. So we're gonna have to get him off the line. We're gonna have to run our best of the best we've ever done. Our best is a 10.93, so if we can somehow pull that off, but I think we're sitting around 81, 82 degrees right now. So I don't expect the best, but we'll just try, you know, 82 degrees, so we dropped 1 degree. He's got a tire on the back, so he's getting pretty good 60 foots. I think we're doing 1.6s, he's doing 1.7, so we're not really gonna pull on him from the get-go. It's gonna be tough, it's gonna be real tough. Jesus. All right, we got a solid burnout in there. Took her all the way down the track. Sorry, guys. Dang it, he's got us. Can't keep up with him. But I do feel like we ran a pretty decent time because we crossed the line at like 124, 125. Usually we cross around 123. But I also said that last time and we didn't do any better. That was a good race. That was a lot of fun. We got to get that Pro Charger on this car ASAP. So the Pro Charger, it got pushed from March to April, now April to May. So I don't know when we're gonna get it. Hopefully soon. I did hear they upped the price on it, about $3,000, but we got lucky, we were locked in at the other price, so we don't have to pay that extra $3 luckily. Woo! But I need it. I'm tired of getting beaten by Hellcats. Thank you. All right, oh God, 11.2 at 118. It's this weather. All right, well, I was thinking about calling it a night, but our friend Hunter just got here with his Trackhawk. So I'm gonna let him go for a run really quick, let him get a practice run in, and then we'll take him on and see if we can't beat a Trackhawk. I think they run 11.5, so I think we should be good. He put a air intake on it, so I don't know what's gonna run. I've never really seen a Trackhawk run. All right, guys, we're about to do our last run of the night. We're gonna go against Hunter's SRT Trackhawk, or Jeep Trackhawk, whatever you call it nowadays. His best so far is like a 10.7 or 10.8. It's been cooling down for quite a while now. We're at 174, it's 81 degrees.
C8 Corvette, Trackhawk.
Trackhawk hooks well. Oh, that's all-wheel drive, right? Jeez. Let's go. I don't know. I don't know if that was enough for a 10. Thank you, ma'am. All right, and we got another 11.15. I think we ran literally three 11.15s. This is the best bracket car. It's so consistent. 1.604 60 foot. That's literally what we ran the entire night. So consistent. We just need some cooler air. These things are very finicky. They just want like the coolest air. The cooler it is, the better you're gonna run. That's just the bottom line, I think. Well, I don't think it's gonna get any colder for the rest of the summer. If anything, it's just gonna get hotter. So we're gonna have to test this thing back out in the winter again, I guess. But that's gonna do it for the end of the video, guys. Thanks for watching. See you guys next video. Later.